Now you can see Nissan Armada 2010 year. This car is from American market. As you can see, it has original Nissan multimedia navigation system 06 IT. So it's showing everything in miles. The whole system looks old. This system was really cool, but in 2010 year, as we can see, it doesn't have Navi maps of Europe. It's normal. Also, quality of the picture is low. This car doesn't have Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio, music box, USB input for playing music and video. And today we plan to install here original Nissan 08 IT system, like it was installing in Nissan Armadas from 2016 years. So let's start. Well, the work is done. We installed here original Nissan navigation system. As you can see now, Bluetooth audio. We connected the phone. Play. What else? DVD. Music box for 30 gigabytes. Settings. Here you can add Bluetooth device for Bluetooth hands-free and Bluetooth audio. Of course, touchscreen works. Also, our exclusive solution is comfort menu. You will never find it in this car, but we added it. Of course, Navi maps. All the buttons work. Destination, info, fuel economy. As you can see, it's showing in kilometers, not in miles. All the factory functions work without any losses. Also, we installed additional USB input for playing music and video files. All that have to work is work. Of course, camera. If you own Nissan Armada and you want to install the same solution, please contact us. How to contact us you can find in the description. Of course, we will provide our support from A to Z, 2-year warranty, and we will help you if you will have any problems. Many thanks for watching. Stay safe, goodbye, and Happy New Year.